Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net. It is Monday the 29th of July. Thanks again for watching. As always, the site you can see here is kept free of charge by the adverts that you see around the screen, and it's you coming back and using the site and using the adverts and telling everybody about us that keeps us free of charge. So thank you for doing that. Now, some really hefty showers around during the course of this afternoon. This is the radar picture from late afternoon, and you can see that we've got some red colours in there indicating the heaviest of the showers. You see them through here, for example, and also many across Scotland and Northern Ireland. So some really heavy and thundery showers as unstable air settled across the country. Now, looking a little bit further ahead, this is a chart I wanted to show you from the CFS model, which goes forward for 3 months. Now, of course, you've got to treat it with a pinch of salt, but this is an example of one of the charts we provide to private clients. And it shows maximum and minimum temperatures as the red and the blue line, and also rainfall as the green bars that you can see across the bottom. And really what I wanted to highlight to you is how the CFS wants to keep this pretty unsettled weather going till around about the 11th or the 12th look, and holds temperatures at around 20-21 degrees. This is the chart for London, by the way. Then it sees a little bit of a dip around the 12th of August before picking up, look here, around the middle of the month for a few days before it goes cooler again, and then a warmer start to September. So I think this is building this picture that we had of staying pretty cool and fairly, well, not cool, but staying with temperatures nearer normal until around about the 10th, 11th-ish of August. Then a pick-up mid-month before falling off again at the end of the month. Although do notice that, look, this second half of the month here is much drier than the first half here. So you notice here it's much drier than it is in the first half of the month here. And then, quite notably, look, quite a sharp fall-off in temperature into September. So indications are that there could be a few cold days in there during September as well. But that idea of August actually not being too bad after the 10th or 11th is starting to gain some power now. In the shorter term, this is the forecast from the CFS model for London for the next 8 days. And you can see here, look, how temperatures are still quite warm, but they do fall off towards the end of the week before warming up again, look, or should I say midweek, before warming up as we get towards Thursday and Friday. Could be seeing temperatures back into the 30s on Thursday and Friday before turning cooler again through the weekend. Most of the rainfall in the leading part of the week, a little bit as well to come, probably into Saturday and Sunday, but then we go dry, look, as high pressure tries to get in again. Belfast looks more unsettled with more rain around. Yes, it will become slightly warmer here through Thursday into Friday, but not dramatically so, though still feeling fairly warm. But you notice here, look, we've got more rainfall. Manchester looks as if we do see the peak in temperature into the weekend, and then it falls mainly dry in Manchester as we get into the latter part of the weekend and next week. Now, the 7 to 10 day means of the 500 millibar flow, which takes us forwards from next Monday through to Thursday the 8th, looking fairly similar. Both got this ridge, look, out in the Atlantic and the trough here to the west of the British Isles. GFS still making more of this trough. The ECMWF has always been weaker on it, and the ECMWF now trying more to build pressures up towards the northwest of Iceland. I think given the accuracy levels of the ECMWF recently, I'm going to stick with the GFS for now. So here's how the charts look then for the next few days, and it's an unsettled picture. This is this afternoon, so this was Monday afternoon. This front pushing its way eastwards, basically associated with the trough at upper levels, which pushed those heavy showers eastwards through all areas. I think for tomorrow we're probably going to start off dry for many with some good sunny spells, but then this feature zips across southern parts of England and southern Wales, taking some hefty bursts of rain with it. Showers following into the west, some of them quite heavy at times. On to Wednesday, we start to see a change take place Wednesday. More low pressure west of Ireland, but this front is going to be spreading its way northwards, taking some rain with it. Most of the rain across Ireland. Low cloud possibly for western parts of Wales and southwest England with some drizzle and just some murk around as well. But many central and eastern areas becoming drier and brighter as this front moves northwards. And behind it, it's bringing in some very warm air off the continent. You notice 1 or 2 showers across Scotland, but generally Scotland and northern England are in for a dry and fine day. It's a very warm one for Thursday, with that warm front moving into Scotland, taking some cloud and outbreaks of rain there. More persistent rain affecting western parts of Ireland. Elsewhere across the country, dry, sunny spells and very warm. could be knocking 31 degrees in the south again through Thursday. So a brief spell of hot weather once more, but this cold front moving through later may well trigger a few thundery showers into the early hours of Friday morning as it passes eastwards. It leaves behind it a cooler flow, although still very warm in the south and the south-east. I think there will be some showers around, particularly affecting more western areas of Scotland, western Wales, southwest England, and some pretty hefty showers across Ireland, but dry for most inland and eastern areas of England once any thunderstorms have cleared, with some good sunny spells coming through. So we'll stick with the theme of pretty unsettled through the coming week, with the risk of rain or even some showers. And then, as you've just noted, the chance of things becoming drier into the middle part of August. We're still going to stick, I think, with that story. So hopefully that's useful information for you. Thanks for watching, and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.